Good morning. We are at my favorite place, Lake James State Park. Now, Lake James State Park has a lot of stuff to do. I come primarily for the mountain bike trails. This is the east and west Wimba Trail at Lake James State Park. This is some of the best single track mountain biking trail in western North Carolina. We're gonna show it all to you today, so let's get going. Two miles into West Wimba, you get an opportunity to take a detour and do 3 more miles on the East Wimba. But I'm going to warn you right now, the East Wimba is not like the West Wimba, and it'll take it out of you if you're not ready for it. All right, so when West Wimba is going counterclockwise, the 5th mile is the best mile on the trail. It's all downhill. It's nice and flowy and fast, and ends on a log like a technical jump. Call me or email me if you ever want to ride Lake James. It's my father and I's favorite place on 2 wheels. If I can get away from the office, I promise you I'll come ride with you. Until next time, turn your Netflix off and be sure you pick up your trash.